Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best PiggyVest savings challenges for 2026, and here's the breakdown. If you want to make savings fun and effective in 2026, PiggyVest has simple challenges that help you build real habit and grow your money without stress. One smart challenge is the weekly boost. Set an automatic weekly transfer and watch it grow all the years. PiggyVest will track it for you, and consistent savings add up fast than you think. Another great one is the no spend go week. Pick a week each month where you avoid all non-essentials like no eating out or impulsive buys and move the money straight into your PiggyVest goal. You can also do the 30 days save luck challenge. Lock money for 30 days and earn high return while skipping withdrawals. It builds discipline and higher interest at the same time. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more money tips, and comment which saving challenge you would like to start with in 2026. And that's it.